women in construction. So me, a law graduate, an arts graduate, nothing to do with construction at all. And then when I was thinking of sitting over here, yes, I am a woman in construction. How? How do I make I am a woman in construction big time? You know, because Indira, when it started, we started with 2,000 square feet of, rented space when I started Indira with 60 students. Today, we are more than 16,000 students, and we have an FSI and built up of more than 5 lakh FSI, 5 lakh square feet. And each square foot of 5 lakh square foot has the Tarita Shankar stamp on that. I may not be an engineer, I may not be an architect, but every building, every inch of Indira has been, built with sitting with me across the architects and the project management consultants. And you ask me all the names and I know it. From day one, I have constructed every little square feet of Indira, and I am a more construction woman because I know the nitty-gritties of everything.